Hi, Billy Mays here for the Jupiter Jack, the most convenient hands-free device for any cell phone, guaranteed. Jupiter Jack transmits quality sound through the speakers in your car. All you do is plug it into any phone and mount it on the dash. Preset your radio to 88.7 FM and you're ready to go. No plugs, no wires, no hands. In my car, the Jupiter Jack is the only system I use because I can safely talk and drive at the same time. Hi, it's Billy.
Hey, Billy, it's Carla.
Be there in 20 minutes. See ya.
It's so easy. I just plug it into my phone and start talking. And I feel so much safer because I don't have to hold my phone while I drive.
Call now and get the hands-free portable Jupiter Jack system for just $10. That's right, just $10. But I'm still not done. Order right now and we'll send you a second Jupiter Jack system. Here's how to order.
Have your credit card ready and call 1-800-705-0156.